Okay, this is my weekly Tuesday virus math update. 2 weeks ago, I think the cases were, let me look. It was 2 weeks ago that we used 5,700 cases for this virus. And then last week it was 51,000. And when we did the math, it came out to be like right around 37% daily increase exponentially. And we use this formula, which I got wrong last week. I think last week I did this. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus r to the t power. Well, actually, I mean, it's not wrong, but I should have used the same variable, whether both t's or both n's. Now, this week, this Tuesday, today, I'm going by what, let me just pull up this. It says right around 165,000 cases from 51,000 last Tuesday to today, and now today it's about 9 a.m. So I'm sure that'll go up, but let's figure out how that compares from last week percent. So we're going to put in a sub t, which is the amount after 7 days, 165,000, equals a sub 1, which is the beginning amount. We're going to use 51,000. 1 plus, we don't know what r is, raised to the 7th power. 7 days. See? 7, 7. Gotta use the same variable. I don't know what the hell I was thinking last week, but now if any of you see a flaw in this math or flaw in this reasoning, feel free to let me know. So we're going to divide both sides by 51,000. We get 3.235. 3.235 approximately equals 1 plus r to the 7th. All right, we just divided both sides by 51,000. Then we're going to take the 7th root, which is actually the same as raising something to the 1/7 power, which is easier for me to do on the calculator. So I take, raise that to the y to the x. I got to hit these parentheses. 1 divided by 7 parentheses equals 1.1826. So we're going to round that to, so r is what 1 plus r is. Well, 1 plus r is what that equals. Subtract 1, you get 0.1826. So that's a daily increase of, let's just make it 18%. So last week, or 2 weeks ago to last week, the daily increase was 37%. Now it's cut in half, the daily increase in cases. So it's still going up in this curve, but maybe it's starting to level off just a bit. You know what I mean, huh? Now, the way they're talking, you know, even one of Trump's, I don't know, she was saying, well, if things work out great, there's going to be 200,000 deaths. I mean, that's even Trump spokesperson, and they're usually, how should I put this? Conservative in their estimates, whereas you get other people talking millions. So who knows? So 18%. So what's going to happen is I'll check next week and compare this 18% with the 37% and so on and so forth. What they're trying to do is get this thing to level off, so, and then start going down. But like I say, the way they're talking is they always show this curve, exponential growth curve, and they make it seem like it's going to keep going, which it might. I'm not saying it won't. I'm not saying it will. I don't know, you know. So anyway, whatever. So I hope this helped. You know, if you put 58,008 in the calculator and then you turn it over, you get boobs. Anything else I need to talk about this? I hope this all makes sense. You know, the way they're talking, you would think, boy, this 37% is going to go up to who knows what, but it's actually went down by half. So, and I assume they're doing more testing, but you never know. Hopefully, knock on wood, things will get back to, well, normal soon. This has been Ralph Myers, mathematician.